If you are a Google Chrome user and commonly visit websites that don't have a dark mode setting available, this extension might help you. The name is darkreader, for reading in the dark, obviously. You can search for it in Chrome Web Store. This is the one I use in my Chrome. Just click Add to Chrome and add extension. Ignore this. Now let's try it. Click here. Pin it so you can easily use it later. It turns on by default. Let's turn it off and on. See the difference? Somehow this extension doesn't do anything on this page. You can also play around with these options. Based on my experience, the downside of using it is the specific page that you already opened and you see at the moment might be a little slow, especially a page that has a lot of images. The extension definitely helps me a lot. Hope that helps you too. Thanks for watching.